Hello, my country people. This news wey me bring no be one way take the jolly like that for our hearts, but now say we suppose carry our mouth talk. The whole area for Edo State that they mourn as in their hearts, they very sad because of what take happen for this young girl when they see this 25-year-old Faith Aigbe, my people, where they don't pry her comot from the surface of the earth for her prime. So my people, her prime. But before we want to talk about all of this, you're welcome to this YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. May God bless you as you take the set in. So my country people, like I talk, say for Edo States like that, everybody had just this sad because of what it take happen to this young girl. As per what she will take the year, they say one Mr. Friday in be honorable for day. Now him allegedly send this fit like that for early R1P. Make she go meet her creator way before her time. So the family don't come out, they cry out for justice. They say no matter the fact, say they know they see clear, and this honorable Friday they see clear. And I be say small she can't say his pocket. They say he even can't let them know say there is nothing they can do to him. My people, the family don't come out, they cry for justice. But before we won't carry mouth take put on top of this matter, I want call all of us for attention. Say make we pull our ears now to let us know. Say we supposed to be very careful out there because our lives like that it take the hang now for one very fragile string. If anybody just do anyhow like that, we go cry come out for this earth. We supposed to be very careful with the kind of people who will take the work with the kind of people take the around of us. We supposed to be very careful, my people, because your debts like that, if it come out now from somebody we no kuku expect. My people, they say this man don't they come for this girl hand in marriage, and the family don't they say no, they cannot. Say this Mr. Friday like this, he can't give 4 wives for house, and they cannot give their daughter. Make she kuku go be number 5 wife. Now so they can't they reject some, my people. The matter still they very unclear because how this girl find herself inside the car. Then say this girl she kuku go because the man lure her into coming to one date they had together. She can't reach there. She say she did do her introduction very soon. Say she not they ready today inside any relationship with this man. They say the man na kuku gets angry like that. Say he can't let go the girl. My people, una sabi say each story wey come dey outside, you get 3 sides of the story. You get the person where they offend am inside of the story. You get the person where he offends inside of the story. Then you can't get the truth now from middle. Because everybody like this, they pull the duvet, make cover in body. Now who will tell us the truth of the matter? Me no can be like now me can't fix my mouth, they arrange this matter like that. I go kuku leave una the video for here by una self kuna watch. Yes, but before I won't go, if you dare here, you never subscribe to this channel, please do me a favor by clicking on the red subscribe button and turning on your post notifications so that whenever me land video like this, you go be amongst the first to be notified. Leave your comment for comment section and I will see you for my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love.
This was the scene at Aigbe police station where family members and eyewitnesses lament the death of 27-year-old Faith Aigbe, who was allegedly killed by the Enoge of Uroho community in Iguodala local government area Friday, Iguodala, Ogieriakhi. Speaking to AIT News crew, family members claimed that the Enoge had made several attempts to get the hand of Faith Aigbe in marriage. They are certain that their objection to his proposal, due to the fact that he already had 3 wives, made him lure Faith Aigbe, who has been missing since Sunday, to his house with charms where he allegedly murdered her.
The Enoge of said he want to marry this girl. He has 3 wives at home. When we said no, he not just charm or whatever to control this girl as of yesterday. When this girl went there, you see the girl now, she's tying rapper and brazier. This Enoge killed her. After killing her, he now lock her inside his car and take her to the hospital. When the doctor now confirmed that this girl has already dead before you bring this girl to the hospital, he now lock up the car, run away with the key.
So my sister dey hospital. When I reach there, she say Enoge dey who. Whether I do I know you all know. He just kill her. He kill her, put for inside motor. You all leave her for there. Lock the motor. Now they take her come out.
The girl refused to marry him. So he wants to marry the girl. But the girl said, no, you cannot marry her daughter. You have 4 wives at home already. Leave her daughter alone. He refused. Whether he went, organized, he killed the girl, lock her up in his vehicle.
They want the State Police Command and other relevant authorities to help them get justice.
Enoge is at large. We didn't know where he is now.
That was just this. So I beg, no help us. I beg.
As at the time of filing this report, the Enoge of Uro was ongoing. Ese Ogene, Akorono, AIT News, Benin.
Okay, mother, come back. Okay now. So you are you calling me with me now? You're not going to do that. You're not going to do that. Please lock the door. It's okay.